Unlocking the secret, under someone's hat. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, under someone's hat. This expression is a gem in the English language, rich with imagery and meaning. If you're curious about what secrets it holds and how to use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. The phrase, under someone's hat, is an idiomatic expression that means keeping a secret or holding on to private information. The hat, in this context, symbolizes one's mind or head, suggesting that the information is kept securely within one's thoughts, not to be shared lightly. It paints a vivid picture of concealing something important, almost as if tucking it away under a hat where no one else can find it. Tracing back to a time when hats were commonly worn by almost everyone, the phrase, under someone's hat, emerged as a metaphorical way of saying that something is being kept within the confines of one's mind. Over the years, it has evolved to signify the act of keeping something confidential, whether it be news, plans, or personal thoughts. Incorporating this phrase into your language arsenal can add a layer of richness to your conversations. For example, I have a surprise for your birthday, but I'm keeping it under my hat until then. Can you keep a secret? I've got some big news, but for now, it stays under my hat. It's a playful way to indicate that you're not yet ready to disclose what you're thinking or planning. While the phrase, under someone's hat, is understood and appreciated in many English-speaking cultures, it's particularly resonant in contexts where discretion and confidentiality are valued. It serves as a reminder of the times when personal secrets and surprises were guarded more closely, lending a nostalgic touch to modern conversations. And there you have it, the mystery of under someone's hat, unveiled. We hope this exploration adds a new expression to your English vocabulary and brings a little more fun into your daily interactions. Keep practicing, and remember, some of the best treasures in language are hidden under the hat of idiomatic expressions. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, and maybe, just maybe, keep some secrets under your hat too.